5 Bravo. Somebody got shot. Breach 1, the border.
Breach 1? Check this out. It's him right there.
It's just another dead guy at the border.
Gotta do something.
What, save a life, right? And probably suspend us for 1 or 2 months.
I could actually use some vacations. Yeah.
Not gonna ask me for my Mexican visa.
Patrón, se lo llevaron los pinches gringos.
Tráemelo, pendejo.
We're stuck.
Hello.
We need help!
Cállate, cabrón. Just one favor. Don't let him die. If he dies, you will die.
That's why they want him. $500,000, maybe $1 million right here.
Who made it after that little push? You have something I want, so I have something you want too.